this video, I will show you how to rename a chat in Gemini. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to organize your conversations, change chat titles, and make your Gemini chats easier to find later. And before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now with Gemini, when you do start a chat, it's automatically going to give it a name, which is kind of relevant to the chat, but sometimes this can make it confusing on what the chat's about. So if you actually want to rename the chat, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side to your chat section and click onto the chat that you want to change. So what I'm going to do is use this chat as an example. You can see the chat name at the top. So for this one, it's called Generate an Image of a Futuristic Train. I need it to be photorealistic. So this is literally just the prompt that I sent through to Gemini, and it's actually used that to name the chat. But I want it to be a bit more specific. So to do this, what you want to do when you're on the actual chat is if you come up to the top right hand corner and you want to click onto the three dots here, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option to rename. Give that a click, and this way you can come to actually rename the chat. So I'm just going to change it to something which is a lot easier to reference by. So I'm literally just going to change it to train image and then click the rename button. Now, as you can see on the left hand side, this makes it a lot more easier to reference as the chat title is smaller and I can easily identify what kind of chat this is. So that is how to rename a chat in Gemini. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.